G'day all, it's Colin from PCTLC and thanks for joining me. Just a quick one here for you. My VirtualBox, I've had an update done with PopOS from 2010 up to 2104. So if we have a look at that in the settings real quick, and we can see there PopOS 2104. And having done that, if I try to start my VirtualBox, you'll see that we get a kernel driver not installed, RC equals 908 error. So I've had that error before. If I have a look at my Cherrytree, where I keep most of my errors, RC 908 error. So this is what we need to do, is run these two commands, sudo apt-get, sudo apt remove virtualbox-dkms, password, and enter. I think this was a Debian. This error was originally on Debian, so I'm hoping that this works on PopOS as well. Hoping so. Don't see why not. I could completely mess this up. I'm hoping it doesn't. All right, so that's that done. And then we'll run a sudo apt install virtualbox-dkms. And I've spelt VirtualBox wrong. That's why that's not doing that. Oh boy. VirtualBox. Yep. And that's the install complete. Let's close that down. I don't know if I have to reboot or whether it will work straight away. We'll check that out. We'll definitely close VirtualBox and reopen it, that's for sure. So we'll do that first up and try that. Still failed. Okay. So we'll do a reboot and see if it works after that. So we have rebooted the system. I'll just get rid of the updates there. And we'll open VirtualBox and see what happens there. I'll probably have to... I haven't got my USB connected, so it would help if I do that. So let's mount that, and then we'll try VirtualBox again. Now we're looking good, and hopefully we get VirtualBox starting. And there we go. So that's what fixes that error. You just got to reboot to sort that out. Just keeping in mind that the sudo apt-get was the Debian command, but sudo apt for PopOS, which is Ubuntu based, sudo apt is good enough. So you don't need the -get on that. And that's all working fine as expected. So that was the fix, RC equals 908 error in VirtualBox. Just a quick one there. Hope that helps somebody out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it interesting and informative. And thanks for watching.